if you like.
Look at all the blood.
Blood and guts everywhere.
Yeah. It's like a war zone.
Okay, this was really good.
Hey, Dino here, and welcome back to GTA GT. So, when I decided to get my 2019 Mustang GT, I decided to go with a convertible. Because in my head, I knew how I wanted the car to look. So, when I decided to trade in my 2016 GT convertible coupe, I decided to go for a convertible. Why did I choose a convertible over a coupe? Well, all my cars have always been coupes. So I decided, why not try a convertible? And I'm glad I did. I love the convertible version. I wanted a different driving experience. And I'm very happy I got the convertible. It's like owning two cars. It's completely different when the top is down. Sounds different, feels different, drives different, and totally looks different. It's quite amazing. I envisioned the car with racing stripes. I wanted the car to be in black and white, just like my favorite soccer team, Juventus. I also knew all the options I was gonna get. Digital dash was gonna be a must. Same with the active exhaust, that was going to be a must, and I'm very happy I got all that stuff. But one mod that I knew I wanted was a light bar. I've always wanted a convertible, and I love the look of the light bar on a GT. And that's what this episode's about. I'm going to install a light bar to my 2019 Mustang GT. So stay tuned. This is going to be very tricky. You got to slide the nut inside and try not to lose it. If you lose it, it's gone. And then the bolt goes through the front. done. Okay, this side's all done. The bracket's super secure. That bolt I just put in is a real pain in you know what. But you can't forget to put that bolt. That bolt and nut has to go in to complete the installation and have this bracket secure enough to be able to have the light bar secure. Good. Now I'm going to have to do on the other side.
Now don't forget that this one goes underneath this bracket.
Yeah.
This has a bracket which goes underneath.
This one goes first.
No, this one goes first.
And then this one.
Yeah.
The speaker goes first. Okay, so I ran into some problems here. Putting this bolt in right there. The bolt basically snapped. I guess I used a little bit too much muscle. I mean, it has to be tight because that's what's holding the bracket. And this bracket here, this is what holds the light bar. So this has to be sturdy and tight. Unfortunately, this is a bit of a disaster. So I'm gonna have to drill this out. This is a real problem. I'm gonna have to drill it out, get another bolt, and try to make it nice and sturdy. We'll see what happens. And like I said before, we had to move this resistor that was sitting in here, and we had to move it in this location here so that we could install the bracket. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we got a new hole. And the hole's got threads, so it should be able to take that big screw we're trying to put in there.
This time I won't tighten it as tight as you have.
Yeah, don't do what I did. Snapped it right off myself.
Don't know your own strength, that's the
Let's
problem.
not do that. Because there's no more room for re-drilling, that's it.
And then we gotta drill two letters.
Is it catching? That's
Oh, yeah.
just spinning?
Oh no.
It's catching?
Oh yeah. As far as I'm going.
Okay, good. So we resolved the problem by re-drilling a hole,
Have a look.
re-threading. Yeah, so that's what happened there. The one snapped inside,
Compare with the other one.
and then we re-drilled the hole and put another one. This is what it was supposed to look like, right there. But we ran into problems. And it doesn't look like this one. But it's gonna work just as well. Some of the things to watch for when you're installing the light bar is be careful with the interior trim. You don't want to snap the clips. Be careful when you're drilling the hole on the trim, on the top trim. Make sure you do it properly. And don't over torque those bolts, because like I said, I snapped one. And you can totally do it all by yourself. You don't even need a second person. I had my father-in-law Marcel, and thank God he helped me a lot, especially with re-drilling the hole and rethreading. He was great doing that, and that took me out of a big mess. But yeah, it's something you can totally do yourself. Just make sure you have the right tools, follow the instructions, and you'll have no problems. It's starting to look like the Shelby 350, the 2019 Shelby 350 convertible with the light bar. I think that car actually comes with the light bar. And my car is really starting to look like that car with the racing stripes and now with the light bar. It really resembles that car. Okay, well that's it for the video. It's a long video. For all of you who stayed and watched the whole thing, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. And as always, enjoy your car, but always, always be safe. Till next time.